Alright, round two. Got a lot of tools here. So all kinds of stuff. It's all, you know, some organ. Got all kinds of hammers here. Kind of cool. All kinds of fun stuff. Like these. Name it. More tables, more of these. All kinds of fun stuff. It's not bad for 65 bucks. I mean, I like how clean it is. Very cool. Saws. Place to sell. Those are kind of cool. I don't know if you need it. You're young, maybe you're 20 years old. Maybe you have a young son that you guys want to work in the garage together. You're an up and coming electrician. The Bosch. All kinds of good stuff. Chargers DeWalt. We just hope no one's donating stolen behaviors. That's all we all hope. It's like China. $8.92. Nice vanity set. Oh my goodness. More saws. Organizer kit. You put this in the wall for $10. Not bad at all. These are good prices. These things are prices. These are good. They have all kinds of fun stuff here. Yeah, she said, let's go to the store, see what it's all about. 'Cause I like these kind of stores. So I like this old sink. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, it is. Actually.
I like that. That'd be great to put in like a cabin or something.
Yeah, for sure.
So old school. Price to sell. One thing I like it's clean in here. It's not like dirty. It's clean.
Yeah.
You can have a secondhand store. Make sure it's organized. So you can walk around.
Yeah. Got 10 different places for this.
Right, but just everything's all cluttered together. And
yeah.
I watched the Pickers show where, let's say it's you, but it's organized. And so let's say you're my father and you pass away. I walk in and it's just thrown around. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So with the Pickers, I like what's organized so you can enjoy what you're looking at.
Yeah.
You can have organized chaos.
Yes, you can.
You ever been to Treasure City up in Royalton? Right off of Highway 10. It's all old stuff. It's short aisle, but everything's organized. Yeah. You can walk through. It's really cool. It's right off of Highway 10.
And the Dairy Queen there.
Yep. You gotta go there. It's fun. A lot of old stuff. It's kind of cool, but it's all organized. It's fun. He sold it. These are cool. $37. More tools over there, as you can see. People probably companies probably donate it, like extra inventory. Oh, okay. These look like these belong like in a church or something. Someone probably tore out a building and said, listen, let's go donate these things. $3 a piece. Rugs. Copper remnants. Yep. Twinsies have restore. The bathroom right there. Little bathtub. All kinds of fun stuff here. Caulk.
That's a cock.
Too bad it wouldn't fit in the back of the vehicle. Where'd you put that thing anyways?
Well, there's there's the metal shelving behind Bosco's.
Mm-hmm.
Get rid of that. I don't know, because it's just so, everything gets so dusty on there.
Right.
But I'm gonna get the shelving again.
You can see a bunch of stuff.
Vanities?
Yeah, I saw that.
This one and then these other ones?
Yeah, I saw those. I know. Probably extra stock. They just want to get rid of it. A lot of floor stuff around here. I think it's a cool store. War tables, 4 chairs, 1 lease, $85. Twinsies have a van, we store them. Very nice, very cool. But, well, maybe I'll surprise I'm going to be up here in this area with the company truck. And I'll be able to buy for.
I mean, it turns, it's just, there's nothing there to hold it, keep it locked, so it doesn't.
So, yeah, all kinds of cool stuff.
Yes.
I love it. Love places like this. We have 3 of these stores. We'll kind of go over here with the tool area, then we'll end this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Something different. I'm glad I brought the store with me together. What? Yes. Look at these. They're kinda cool. What's up?
I mean, because everything on those gets so dusty on those metal shelves, and there's stuff on there that can get thrown away.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's the cat litter. I mean, not the cat litter, but the cat food and the some cleaning supplies, and there might be more room for Bosco's stuff.
Right. So you can't take it apart this
Yes,
way?
you can.
Oh, you can?
Yes, they would take it apart.
Okay. Oh, I thought they were okay. All right, guys. So looks like Sue Ellen might buy it. All right.